Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great. So in this video tutorial, I will show you how you can get YouTube video idea for your YouTube channel. It can be any niche, for example, technology niche or video about fixing things on computers and whatever is the topic you are working on or the niche you are working on. I will show you how you can use AI in order to get your titles that will boost your channel. So, uh, let's make this video quick. First thing to do is go to chatgpt.com. As you can see, it's totally free and it will cost you nothing, no sign up, nothing, just click on stay logged out, as you can see, and here type the message you want. uh, for my case, for this tutorial, I will type I need 10 YouTube video about about fixing Windows problems, like this. You can make 10 or 100 or whatever the number you want. And for me, I need 10 YouTube video idea about this niche because that is the niche of my channel. You can make any niche you want, for example, gaming or whatever is your niche. And then click OK. And as you can see, ChatGPT AI technology is working on finding the best topics for your next video. As you can see, now copy those topic, and or you can just click on this little icon here. That's mean everything is copy, and take a notepad and paste everything here. So as you can see, after that I have here 10 videos. For example, this one is about troubleshooting common Windows errors, as you can see. The second one is about speeding up a slow Windows PC. For example, I like this one. This one is will be a very good topic for my next video. You can take the title after that and work on that topic. You can search more. Uh, that's the purpose of this tutorial, is to find easily the idea of your next video on YouTube. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great tutorial, a great topic for your next video. Thank you for watching.